Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, Technical Trader. It's Wednesday night, August the 24th, and these are the charts of the day. Pretty damn good day on Wall Street today. The markets give a good account of themselves. A lot of stocks snap back. I'll give you some examples of stocks that looks like they may have broken out today. Avago Technologies, AVGO, on good earnings, jumped 301, 6.6 million shares, up 10%, and ran through the lateral price resistance and 50-day moving averages today and got right up to the declining top line and backed off. Still, although it closed $1.20 off the high, it was still up 301 on the day. And at this point, we'll be needing to watch this stock to see if it can get up and through additional resistance at around 34.5, which represents that line right there. If we do, my targets are 36 3/4 and then 39 9 1/4 going forward with AVGO. AZPN, AZPN Technologies, had a big day today and jumped 238 or 17%, moving through its declining tops line, 21 and 50-day moving averages, and closing substantially above that level. Now there is resistance up here in around the 17.5 range, and we'll be looking to see if that's tested. If it's taken out, that could very well, that would take the stock into all-time new highs and could result in a move into the high teens. Nice day for CVV. In addition to the last several sessions when it's moved from about 11.5 up to 17.5, 1732, and closing only a penny off the entire move near the July highs. This is a terrific price volume surge with increasing volumes and technicals. And although it may be a little short-term overbought, we'd love to see it pull back from here. I am looking for the stock to reach the top of the channel up around 19 3/4, 20 short-term. Dicom had a big day today, popping through lateral price resistance, 21 and 50-day moving averages, and exploding for 214 or 15.5% on 2 million shares. That's the biggest volume all year, and the biggest volume in quite a while, going all the way back to the end of 2009. This is a key area for the stock, and perhaps if we can get it to extend, we can see a move up towards 17.5 and then 18 3/4 by two targets, 18 3/4 July target being a key one. Terrific move today and follow through on our swing trade recommendation, DZZ, that's DB double gold short, as our gold dropped $100 an ounce today. And this thing jumped 10%. Has now moved from 383 up to 487 the last couple sessions. I think it may have some more upside. I was looking for at least 505 on it, but I think it could get to about 5.5 short term. Hansen, another big day, followed through after yesterday's pop out of the big 2-week flag. You'll see a nice extension move today. And closing not that far off the highs, but we're looking for a run up towards the top of the channel around 93, 94 as our next trading target. LOGI had a nice move and extended its breakout of the declining top line through the 21 and 50-day and has moved up to test lateral resistance in this zone here, but I have a target now up around 11.5 to 3/4 short term, intermediate term around 12.5. Panel, nice little, what I call an inside day, as it pulled back to test the gap, it held it and snapped back. Lower volume and setting up a little consolidation above the breakaway gap, but certainly keep an eye on PANL. The next target, my next stock is PPDI, and it broke out of the flags today after bouncing yesterday. Extended a little bit, but more importantly, I think the stock is headed for 33 short term, and if that's broken, 35, 36. Sturm Ruger, although only up 42 cents at 1.3%, this made another new all-time high today. The stock is showing excellent relative strength and may very well see the mid-30s short term. RIMM, after coming down hard, bouncing, and then flagging, appears to have broken out today with a gain of $1.08. That was just 4%, but 27 million shares traded as volume picked up, and it sure looks like the stock is headed towards 30, 30 3/4 range. In short term, intermediate term, 466. STAA, another pop of 58 cents or 8%. The stock looks like it's headed higher. Very strong relative strength in the face of a lousy market. Short-term target, 9 1/4.5. And lastly today, I look at the ZSL, the ultra short, the ProShares ultra short silver, which has rebounded from about 10 3/4 to 13.31. Now that was our initial target today at 13.30.35, but it appears that 14.5 to 3/4 may be doable, maybe even 15 on a short-term basis. And that's it for this evening. Have a good evening.